Welcome to Right Choose. Top 10 Best Portable Air Conditioners, Portable Evaporative Cooler in 2025. Top 1. Air conditioner with add-on 2 batteries, 2500 British thermal units, portable AC unit, 250W low power consumption, 25.5 VDC, 2 fan speed, 3 light mode for tent camping, RV, truck, van life, home, grey. 10 to 15 minutes fast and efficient cooling? Packed with 2500 British thermal units of cooling power and an R290 refrigerant system that meets EU environmental standards, this air conditioner has the advantage of a fast cooling rate and high refrigeration efficiency. Enjoy instant and effective cooling on your next adventure. Lightweight and portable? Stay cool everywhere you go with this portable air conditioner. It's lightweight and compact, and comes with an ergonomic handle for easy transportation. Whether you're in a tent, campervan, trailer, or indoors, you can enjoy a refreshing and comfortable temperature. Multiple power options? This fast-cooling air conditioner is designed to be versatile to meet the needs of various use scenarios and outdoor adventures. It can be powered through 100-120 VAC, a compatible battery, car charger, or compatible solar panel, not included, making it ideal for. Top 2. Goodman 5-ton 14.5 SCER2 multi-position R32 heat pump system with air handler, GLZS4BA6010 condenser and AMST60DU 1300 air handler. This listing includes Goodman 5-ton 14 SEER heat pump, Goodman 5-ton multi-position air handler. This comes with a 10-year parts limited provided it is installed by a qualified installer and registered online. Accessories such as line sets, thermostats, LP conversion kits, sold separately. This is a Goodman 5-ton 14.5 SCER. Top 3. Portacool PAC-JS2701A1 Jetstream 270 Portable Evaporative Cooler, black. The Portacool PAC-JS2701A1 Jetstream 270 Portable Evaporative Cooler provides whole shop cooling at a fraction of the operating cost of traditional air conditioning. The Portacool PAC-JS2701A1 Jetstream 270 Portable Evaporative Cooler comes equipped with KwiKool Comfort Evaporative Media, the highest quality evaporative media available and made in the USA exclusively for Portacool products. It features a larger drain for easy and effective maintenance. The liquid level indicator with automatic pump shutoff protects your product and investment. The Portacool PAC-JS2701A1 Jetstream 270 Portable Evaporative Cooler is made in the USA with domestic and global parts. It comes with Portacool Protect, which features a lifetime on the evaporative cooler's housing against manufacturing defects. Top 4. Portacool PAC-JS2401A1 Jetstream 240 Portable Evaporative Cooler. Made in the USA with domestic and global parts. Lifetime on evaporative cooler housing against manufacturing defects and 3-year on all electrical components. The Portacool PAC-JS2401A1 Jetstream 240 Portable Evaporative Cooler provides maximum adaptability for cooling wherever needed. The Jetstream 240 is not only easy to move, it can also fit on the tightest of spaces. The Portacool PAC-JS2401A1 Jetstream 240 Portable Evaporative Cooler comes equipped with KwiKool Comfort Evaporative Media, the highest quality evaporative media available and made in the USA exclusively for Portacool products. It features a larger drain for easy and effective maintenance. The liquid level indicator with automatic pump shutoff protects your product and investment. This energy-efficient cooling solution uses less energy than. Top 5. Smart Household Mobile 9000 British Thermal Units Air Conditioning Portable Air Cooler Air Conditione. For bedroom, office. Easy Cool 9000 British Thermal Units Compact Air Conditioner will keep you cool and comfortable all. Effective cooling for spaces up to 350 square feet while simultaneously providing fan and dehumidification functions in any home, bedroom, office or cabin. It's the perfect small air conditioner, 13.2 x 12.8 x 27.4 in, 55.1 pounds, 3-inch-1 functionality. Enjoy the simplicity and comfort of digital controls. The portable AC features an easy-to-read LED, EasyCool 9000 British thermal units compact air conditioner will keep you cool and comfortable all. Effective cooling for spaces up to 350 square feet while simultaneously providing fan and dehumidification functions in any home, bedroom, office or cabin. It's the perfect small air conditioner. 13. Top 6. AXP26U339CW Portable Air Conditioner 64 decibels white. Product details: des Vernitz Mobile Klimagerad Comfort 6000 Kuldien Zuhauslease und Effizient, Optimier die Einstellungen über die AEG App, zur Zusätzlichen der Energieeffizienz kann das einfach zu installieren. Premium Fensterset als erworben worden. Installation in wenigen Minuten. Optimierung der Einstellungen von überall über die AEG Apps. Du den mobiles Klimagerad ganz einfach über die AEG App. Wall dein Wunschtemperatur erstellen individuellen Zeitplan oder wall deinen Beveren Zugten Modus, Energieeffizient Kühlung. Excellent Energieeffizient Kühlung deiner Wohnraum.
Top 7.
Discontinued model KwiKool KWIB 4221 Water-Cooled Portable Air Conditioner. Discontinued model. Current model is KIB 4221-2, proudly made in America, totally self-contained, maintenance-free operation. Digital control panel, digital thermostat, hinge filter access, weight, 295 pounds, dimensions, 49 inches HX 22.33 inches WX 26 inches D. Unit requires access to a circulating water system and may also.
Top 8.
Big Gas Fans Cool Space 400 Portable Swap Cooler, 36 inches fan, 46-gallon capacity, variable speed, cooling for patios, warehouses, workshops, indoor and outdoor use, evaporative air cooler AC. Efficient cooling for workspaces. Cool Space 400 Evaporative Swap Cooler is ideal for workshops, garages, and studios up to 3600 SQFT, 334 SQM. Cool Space 400 Evaporative Cooler rapidly cools air by up to 33 degrees, depending on ambient conditions, with a 36-inch fan and airflow ranging from 6,400 to 9,700 CFM, ensuring efficient cooling for various spaces. Generous water capacity. Utilize a standard garden hose for the Cool Space Cooler's water supply, with the Cool Space 400 featuring a 46-gallon tank for maximum portability and spot cooling capabilities. The low water indicator ensures uninterrupted operation.
Top 9.
Discontinued model KwiKool KWIB 12043 Water-Cooled Portable Air Conditioner. Note: discontinued model. Current model is KWIB 12043-2. Product is not available in new condition. Proudly made in America. 10-ton, 120,000 British thermal units, 460.
Top 10.
Portacool PACJS 2701A1 Evaporative Cooler. Item package heights, 90.0 inches. Item package length, 39.0 inches. Item package width, 82.0 inches. Product type, air conditioner. This is a 48 inches Portacool Jetstream 270. It cools the largest area in the Portacool Jetstream series. Liquid level indicator with automatic pump shutoff protects your product and investment. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.